Alright, today is June 13th and I'm at Aiea Shopping Center and yeah, I just had a meal. This is about 12:15 p.m. and just had a meal at Machete's Mean Sandwich out there. And I'm on the third floor, so I decided, I go take a walk. Yeah, wow, they gave so much that I couldn't finish it. Yeah. They really stacked it. Here's Aiea bowl. Yeah. And the bowling alley. Right. And yeah. Alley restaurant at Aiea bowl. They do have lots of parking. Mexican food. El Charro. Barbecue chicken. Yeah, I tried it here. It was pretty good. Yeah. And here's pharmacy. Right. So, and here we are. Just kind of around. And guess what? I'll go out to the parking structure. And yeah. Yeah. Alright, I'm just right at the edge, so I'll go back down the stairs. And here we go. We're down at the second level. And a lot of renovations going on. And down there, florist, AC florist, and where's that eatery here? Sushi. Wow, definitely, it looks busy. So another place I gotta try, right? And then out here, yeah, lots of renovation. I guess they're fixing it up. Somebody must be coming in. And there's McDonald's right there. Yeah. And Ice Garden and Machete's Mean Sandwich. Yeah, just where I had my lunch. And Aiea Pancake House. Oh, there's more shops in the back. Yeah. Roast Duck Kitchen. Right. Then, oh, they do have yeah, so they got some office clinics, yeah, in there. Then the Roast Duck Kitchen, so yeah, another place. Right. And Alright, here's an escalator, so I'll go down. And the escalator going down. Yep. Okay. Here we go. I just came down escalator and right. Wow, on the other end over there, they're having renovations. And then Starbucks, right? And okay. Oh, okay, this is Times Market extending out to here, right? And then down here, it's all Times Market, Times Supermarket. Right. So, and yeah, lots of parking all around. Alright. Aloha Cream. Oh, Aloha Creamery. Right. Then, yeah. So, this kind of gives an idea, right? Yeah, so Starbucks, and then right next to it there's a Supercuts. Yeah. So this is it. Aiea Shopping Center. Alright. I say thank you for watching.